Vossteed knives, the Psyop in Elmax with a Micarta handle. High carbon super still, a very special super still with 2009 Kershaw roots. If CBN doesn't take this to the razor zone, I'll be absolutely shocked. And boy, do I want to own this knife. All right, let's grind. All right, let's see where this guy measures in at. I understand it doesn't have a ton of use. .325. Okay, so I think that's kind of working edge territory, but let's go sharper. We're gonna take some extra precautions with this blade. Got the handle nice and wrapped up. Not quite sure what happens if my Micarta gets wet, you know? This isn't gonna protect it from getting wet, but I'm gonna need to Google that in a second and be mindful. Feel like I'm putting clothes on their centerfold, guys. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna Sharpie the entire bevel here. I want to see what the scratch pattern is going to look like from heel to point. All right, Vossteed in Elmax, Micarta handle, 18 degrees. Let's go. Shouldn't take much to get a burr. Come on in and take a closer look. Should not take long to catch a burr here. We may have already hit a burr. Stepping up in grip progression from CBN 200 to CBN 600. Grit 1200. I haven't been using this wheel as much. I do mostly kitchen knives, but this one's not cutting tomatoes, so a toothy edge isn't required. This is more of a show knife, so we're going mirror edge. Look at that Sharpie pull. Absolutely perfect. All right, Vossteed Psyop in Elmax versus Edge on Up. Whew. 86. Heck yeah. I am happy with that. 86 on the Edge on Up. I am stoked with that. This knife, we have no affiliation with Vossteed. Never even heard of them until my client Casey brought this guy in. Buy this knife. Tell your friends this is a perfect Christmas gift for someone that likes knives or cuts things or whatever. Huge value too. These things are quite reasonable, and I recommend the Micarta handle. It just, man, these guys know what they're doing. Keep an eye on Vossteed. See ya.